guys, it's Brooke with WTI. If you're a coffee lover like me, you need coffee wherever you go. I found this Ello Ogden ceramic travel mug, and it has been my favorite mug I've had in a long time. Since it's ceramic, you don't have to worry about that plasticky or metallic-y taste getting in your coffee. It just tastes pure and delicious the way you want it. The best part about it is that it's dishwasher safe. So you can throw the whole thing in there and you don't have to worry about washing it. It has this grippy sleeve on it, so when your coffee's super hot, you don't burn yourself, and also it's really nice for holding on to. You're not gonna drop it. The lid comes out really easy. It just pops right out like that. The whole thing comes apart for cleaning, so you don't have to worry about coffee getting stuck under there and all yucky. This is the perfect to-go coffee mug. It's super grippy, so you don't have to worry about dropping it when you're on the go, and also it's completely dishwasher safe. It's going to be your favorite new to-go coffee mug, but that's just my point of view.